Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the page size in Canva. Whether we need a design for social media, print, or a presentation, we can easily resize our project. On the Canva dashboard, this is our current page and we want to resize it. All we need to do is click the resize button in the upper left part of the dashboard. Once we are here, we just need to click resize. Now, we can choose the size we want to use. It could be for social media, a custom size, print, presentations, or videos, depending on what we need. But before resizing, we need to make sure we have the Canva business plan. This feature is only available with the business plan. Once we have it, we can click this option and then click Apply or Resize. This will change the size of our page in Canva. And that's how we change the page size in Canva. With just a few clicks, we can adjust our designs to fit any format we need.